Last Sunday, Emma went to her parents' house for dinner. She knew there were many family problems, but she still wanted everyone to have a peaceful evening. Her younger brother, Jake, was angry because he lost his job last month. Her father was worried about money, and her mother was tired of hearing the same family problems every day. During dinner, nobody talked very much. The silence made the family problems feel even heavier. After a few minutes, Jake suddenly started arguing with his father about work and responsibility. Emma tried to calm them down because she hated seeing family problems hurt everyone. Later, Emma sat with her mother in the kitchen. Her mother said that family problems were making the house stressful and unhappy. Emma understood how difficult it was for her mother to keep the family together. She told her mother that every family has family problems sometimes. Before going home, Emma talked to Jake quietly. She encouraged him to stay positive and look for new opportunities. Jake smiled for the first time that night and said he wanted to fix the family problems instead of running away from them. When Emma left the house, she hoped the family problems would slowly become smaller with love and understanding.